Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Today we have a special unboxing, my latest addition to the collection, a watch that I didn't think that I will add it that fast, but as soon as I tried the shape, the size, and it felt just perfect, I thought now it's the time to add this watch again. So, anyways, this is a channel, if you're new to this channel, basically where we unbox, review, and there was a live stream sometimes, a podcast. I even go guest panels on other channels. So please do be sure to check out the other videos that I post. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. I have only 5% of the viewer that is subscribed, which is a pity. Of course, this helps the channel, helps motivate me, and helps puts more resources that I could get more watches to review. And as you can see, we have here a Seiko box made in China. So let's take it out of the box. So a box inside the box, and we have here the instruction manual, the guarantee, and that's for the 4R34. As you can see from here, it is the Seiko 5 GMT. And here we have the guarantee. I bought it from Seiko Boutique directly. So here we can see the serial number, the date, and the case. Let's put these on the side and get this opened. And here we go. Seiko 5, put this like that. GMT with orange dial. Trying to get the best screen capture, let's say. Now I see this gray. In a lot of the pictures you don't see this gray, which looks really nice. So let me take it out of this one. The reference number of this model is SSK005K1. As I said, caliber 4R34 with the GMT hand winding. It has hacking. On the first position you change the GMT per hour or the date, and then you can change the watch time. So let's say, let's fix it like this right now, and you have a unidirectional glide bezel. I would say glide bezel. You have also Jubilee bracelet, stamped clasp with, like I said, it's not milled. I'm not a big fan of this buckle, but the bracelet looks nice, and all the people that use the bracelet actually were really happy with it. But like I said, I'm not a bracelet person. You can see me every time I get a watch that has a bracelet on, I change it. And this is the watch I'm wearing currently, thanks to Haroon from Watchmade for lending this watch to review. So if I open this now and I close it, you can see it on my wrist. The bracelet looks quite nice on it. It gives it a really nice look. The profile is good. Like I said, you have the new Seiko caliber with the GMT 10 bars, so 100 meters water resistance. Usual Seiko Luma Bright, so very good lume. Let's see the dimensions of the watch, and then we'll leave the rest for the review and try to keep it short. So 42.5 diameter, lug to lug 45.6, thickness 13.75, and a lug width of 22 millimeters. So I was between this and the blue one, but as I said, I have the blue Citizen So I didn't want to have too many blue watches, even though very useful for me at the moment because I work for a new company that company color is blue. So definitely be wearing a lot of blue watches when I'm in the office. But I have to say I'm really impressed with this watch. It looks really nice. The hard legs glass looks really good with the chamfer. It has an inner bezel and 24-hour bezel and outer 24-hour bezel. So theoretically, you could even time three different time zones, which is very helpful if you have a lot of meetings in several countries. Yeah, what can I say more? I'm really impressed by the watch. Seiko outdone themselves in this one. So be sure to tune in for the review episode, which will come most probably in 1 month. And yeah, as I said, invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and you can hit the subscribe button right here. And you can check out these 2 videos that might interest you as well. So thanks again for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.